Rockstars, and welcome back to 25 DIYs of Christmas. We're doing something really fun today, funky, fresh, and definitely something that is not just a Christmas idea. I have some really fun cocktails coming up, and before I did that I wanted to create some coasters with you, both very highly inspired by this year's trends. First being the bubble trends. As you know, I did a bubble door inspired by these candles that just literally went crazy this year, and I thought I would move that into some Christmas content. And second being arches and all things terracotta and clay. I'm not going to waste any more time chatting with you. I'm going to just jump straight into it. Here's all the things you'll need for today's DIY. You'll need some wooden beads, some paint, a paintbrush, clay, wood glue, a hot glue gun, tools for molding, a baking tray, baking paper, and an oven. I have already tested this because I was a little worried it wouldn't be stable, but funnily enough, very easily balance something on there. It's probably not the best, the most practical coaster, but I think for aesthetic it does really well. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY. Today's also a double episode, so don't forget to check out the other video I've uploaded where I'm doing recycled block nutcrackers. If you love this one, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. I'm Rockstars, this is 25 DIYs of Christmas, and I'll see you tomorrow.